Hey YouTube, Big Mike, coming back to you with another video. Uh, I got a lot of emails regarding the city of Atlanta, the state of Atlanta, Georgia, how to start a non-emergency medical transportation business. So this is the website, one of the websites you got to go to. It's like 3 different websites. So yeah, you got the drop down menus here. And I got another one here. This is Atlanta. Okay, the actual city. City departments. Yeah, what they do, they try to hide it. They hide it here. Yeah. So this is where we want to go. Got the Department of Georgia Department of Transportation. Okay. Yeah, they give you the runaround. Now eventually you want to get to this form here. So yeah, I'm going to put a link on my website that you could purchase to start your own non-emergency medical transportation business in the city of Atlanta, the state of Georgia. Okay, so for now, I'll see you on the next one. Big Mike, I'm out. Peace.